Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming back to see me today. In today's video, it looks like just a cardboard box. But it is a off-brand Wednesday doll. Now I have the original that comes from Monster High. I have Enid, and my husband has the one from the party they have where she dresses up in her dress she likes. Wednesday. Plain cardboard box. I'm not pausing the video for this one. Something. Excuse me. Yes, there is. I didn't know there was stuff in the box. Is there anything else? It's dark in here, I can't see. Alrighty. Sorry, I left you with looking at nothing. Sorry it's so loud. Well, let's see what we got here. We got this oversized hand, which doesn't look a thing like thing. A hairbrush. It looks like a broom. And I'm guessing this is the cheap version of her Raven dress, along with a bodysuit to go underneath it so she doesn't show everything she's got. Bag on her head. Here's the back of the head, showing the pigtails. Back of the dress. Her shoes actually look pretty good. They're wanting to come off though. And there's the face. She looks pretty good for a cheap version. Stands up pretty tall. Yeah. It's a pretty good doll. So I thank you for watching. It's a quick video. And you have a good day.